Hello everyone. Hope you are all having a good day. This is Bose from SNS Learning, wishing you a hassle-free learning going forward. In this tutorial, we are going to provide you some basic ideas, or you can say the tips of working in Oracle database. In most of the world, all industries are maintaining a database to keep their data handy. Over here, we are working in Oracle database, which is very feasible and user friendly. We are going to cover this tutorial video based on some topics like what is data. Next one is how to retrieve full data set of a table. Third one is how to retrieve specific data set from a table. So before going to deep dive into this video, we need to have some clear cut view regarding data. The word data we are using in our daily to daily life everywhere. So what is that? What is data? Data is a unit of information. If we explain through some example, like we are going to buy a SIM card from some service provider. That service provider is going to assign some number to that customer after verifying the details like customer name, customer address proof, customer identification proof. So to that service provider, these all customer information like customer name, customer identification proof, customer phone number, customer address proof, these all are treated as a data. So now the next question arises where the data resides. Data are present in table. Over here we are going to see how to retrieve full data set of a table, how to retrieve specific data set of a table and some other points. Over here we have a table called customer details. This table hold the data of all customer like customer name, customer address, customer phone number, customer ID proof name, customer identity number and the country from where the customer are belongs to. What we have to do if we want to retrieve all the data from this customer details table? We need to write a select command based on this specifying this star. This star is used to retrieve the full data set from a table. Over here, we are trying to retrieve the full data set from this customer details table. So we need to write a select query like this, select star from customer details or select star from table name. Over here, table name is customer details. So if we run this select query, then we can able to see the data which is present in this table like customer name, customer address, customer phone number, customer ID proof, customer identity number and the country from where they are belongs to. Now the next one. In the next one, what if, let's think, if we want to retrieve the data of some specific column, not all the dataset or full dataset, what we have to do? We need to specify the column name while selecting the value. Over here, we are trying to select the value of cast name, cast address and cast phone number from the table of customer details instead of retrieving the full data set from this customer details table. So we have to write a select command like this, like select cast name, comma cast address, comma cast phone from customer details. If we run this, then we can able to retrieve the data which is present only in these three column, cast name, cast address and cast phone. Now what we have to do if we want to change the name of the column or you can say the existing column while selecting the value from a table. We need to write a select command by specifying some as condition like over here we have a column name called cast name. This cast name we are trying to retrieve based on some customer name. Means while retrieving the data, this cast name will be reflected as customer name. Like this, we can change the column name while selecting some value from the table. If we run this select query, it will help us to get the output of all the cast name, all the data which is present in column cast name with the column name customer name. So now the next point. Next point is over here I have mentioned this table name all tables. Oracle has some specific inbuilt table which hold the data of all the table present in that schema. Over here we have a table which we have mentioned called all tables. If we trying to retrieve all the data from this all tables, let me run this. It will help us to get the full data or table name which is present in this schema. Table name, table space name, cluster name, and some other inbuilt Oracle information which is present. Now the next one. Next one is all tab calls. This all tab calls table hold the information of the column as well as the respective tables. So which column is present in what table, we can get those data from this all tab calls table. If we run a select query from this all tab calls table, then we can able to get the full information. Let me run this. So as I have said, it is able to extract the data which is present like table name and respective column name, their data type, data length, and some other respective information. In general case, we need these 3 to 4 information like table name, column name, data type, data length, data type owner, and the table owner. These all are generally useful in our daily to daily life. Now the next one. What if we want to select some specific data instead of the full data set of the table or the full data set of a column, of one column or two or more than one column? What we have to do? We need to write a select query by specifying the expected condition, like as I have written over here, like select star from where, where country code, select star from customer details where country equal UK. So what we are trying to do, we are trying to retrieve all the customer details which are present or the customer who are belongs to this country code UK. This country value, let me run the full dataset first or retrieve the full dataset from this customer details. So in this customer details table, as we are seeing over here, it hold the data of country UK and US. If we want to retrieve the dataset only for UK or the customer who are belongs from UK, we need to write a select query by specifying the country code UK. This UK data is present in this country column. So by mentioning the column name, we need to specify the respective value. We have mentioned over here this UK data inside a specific, or you can say the inside the single quote. Why single quote? Because this country data or this column is a varchar, type varchar. So if we run this select query like select star from customer details where country equal UK. If we run this select query, it will help us to get the details of the customer who are belongs from UK as it is reflecting over here. What if we want to change it as US? If we change it as US and if we run the query once again, it will help us to get the data, full data of US customer. So by this we can specify some condition and get the exact data instead of retrieving full data set, or we can say the full data set of a column or full data set from the table. Over here we can do another thing, like after where if we want to specify some data, like if we just assume if we want to retrieve the data of this customer Mac, customer name MACK Mac, then what we have to do? After this where condition, we need to add one more condition by this AND command, and will help us to add one more condition which will check this country code and some other check. So and over here we are giving like cast name equal this Mac. So if we run this select query, it will help us to get the exact data of this customer Mac. By this we can add some more condition over here by this AND command. Now the next one, what if we want to rearrange or reframe the full data set? Let me run the full data set which is present in customer details table. If we run the full data set of customer details table, it will represent all the data which is present in this table. If we want to reframe or rearrange, means if we want to rearrange through some order, what we have to do? We can do this by this order by command. We can use this order by command after selecting the respective value, like as I have selecting all the data set or all the data present in this customer details table. So for that we have written a query like select star from customer details order by. Over here I have mentioned 1. Why 1, or what 1 represent? 1 represent, this 1 represent the first position of the column present in this customer details table. So if we have written 1, it indirectly represent the column name cast name, which is the first position of column in this table. So if we write 1, or if I write cast name instead of this 1, it is having the same meaning. Like let me run, let me copy. So as I have said, these two query customer details select star from customer details order by 1 and select star from customer details order by cast name. These two are having same meaning. If I run the query, then it will help us to rearrange the data based on the ascending order of this cast name. Now the question comes, why ascending order? Oracle has a default capability to rearrange or reframe the output data in ascending order if the order of the output data is not mentioned. Then only Oracle by default provide the output based on the ascending order. In the next query, the same thing I have written over here, like select star from order by 1 ascending. These also have the same meaning, order by 1 ascending or order by cast name ascending. ASC stands for ascending. So if I run the query, it will provide us the same result. So these three query are similar. We are representing it in some different way. So now the next one. Next one is If we want to rearrange the data based on some descending order, to present it in descending order, we need to specify the order like descending. DESC stands for descending. So if we want to rearrange the order based on this custom cast identity number on descending way, then we need to write a query like select star from customer details order by cast identity number descending. If we run the query, then it will help us to get the output of the data based on the order by descending order of this customer identity number as it is reflecting in our screen. Now, what if we want to rearrange the data based on some specific data like, let me run the full select query, or let me extract the full data set from this customer details table once again. So if I run the select query, it reflect all the data. So over here in first row, it represent the data of a customer who is belongs from UK. In the next row, it is the customer data is present who is belongs from US. In the next, again the UK customer data is present. So if we want to rearrange the data in such a way like all the UK data will present first, or all the customer data who are belongs from UK will present first, and then all the customer data who are belongs from US will be reflected in our output. What we have to do? We have to write a select query by specifying this country ascending. If we write, or if we rearrange the data based on this country column in ascending order, it will help us, let me run, it will help us to get all the customer data who is belongs from UK first, and then it will reflect all the US data who is belongs, or who what are present in this table. If we reverse the order like descending, then the output will also get reversed. Like all the US customer data, as I have run the query based on order by select star from customer details order by country descending, it will help us to get the output like this, as it is reflecting over here. Like all the customer data who is belongs from US, it is reflecting at the top, and then all the customer data who is belongs from UK, those are present. Thank you friends, hope this is very useful to you. We'll meet in the next video.